Anthony, we have moved from delivering 6 girls a month to 12. They don't care how it's done. They just want it done.
Masu, can I be totally honest with you?
I expect nothing less.
I think we bit off more than we can chew, Masu. 6 girls then was tricky, and right now 12 is a stretch.
Don't think, Anthony. Just do. There are many money-grabbing girls running around here. Just want to work for a living. Find them.
I'll try.
There you go with your struggle words again, but I'll try. I lost my husband and my life as I knew it to those home wreckers. This one targeted us just for our money. There's not a day go by that I'm not haunted by this period in my past. I will rid this island of every female that seeks to shake down men and their families for money by using the youth and sex.
Masu, we have to be careful. We can't just be acting out of emotions. We could have easily exposed ourselves.
Do what I tell you to do, and don't speak to me about emotions.
Yo, repeat what you said, look what.
Man, them tell me say, oh, since me not push my in high school, them not give me my share. That them a tell me, I don't know what them depend. Cause you don't show me a pray, so no Mali in high school, you don't. Alright? So that me I deal with. But them not depend that.
Yeah, I said that. That's how it is going with the thing now.
They easy back on the front, brother. I feel boy them must come all and pull me. Carry me go to him, you know. I know them depend. Man, them a force me to sell it in a school. I say this is the money there. Can't help it.
Dog, you know so I have to deal with this different though. Yo,
Godfather, anything or anything now. You know we have to protect the youth.
That's a Godfather. Rise it up.
I know that. Yo, no, say it is. The man was like a brother to me, though, dog. You see me? He might have all yeah, he might have all him youth. I got school. But that the man you do. Yo, you hear me righteous? You have to go for them.
Rise up everything, man, stone face.
Oh, yes, sir, Godfather. When I talk, I'm going to slaughter, you know. Ready for him, man.
My husband took his life right in front of me because of one of these young gold diggers. They will know what it means to work. So have you started the process for this month's quota?
Yes, Masu. I have 3 prospects so far.
Good. Well, we no longer have the young lady who runs the youth program. That was how we got them so quickly. So, we need your lady to replace her.
Masu, I can assure you, As soon as she feels better, she will be here.
Make her feel better.